Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Adalo to launch a mobile app for local services. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, navigate to Adalo's official website and create an account if you haven't done so already. Once logged in, click on the Create New App button to begin a new project. Select the type of app you want to create. For local services, choose a mobile app option to ensure compatibility with smartphones. Next, you will see various templates available. Browse through the templates or start with a blank canvas according to your preference. If you choose a template, click on it and then click Use this template. Now, you are in the App Builder interface. On the left side, you'll see a panel with various components you can add to your app. Start by dragging and dropping a list component to your main screen. This will display the local services you plan to offer. Customize the list by connecting it to your database. Click on Database in the left panel. Create a new collection for your services, naming it appropriately. Add relevant properties like service name, description, price, and image. Return to your main screen and click on the list you added. In the right panel, link the list to the collection you just created. Now, let's add more functionality. Drag a button component onto the screen for users to request services. Label the button Request Service and connect it to a new screen. On this new screen, add a form that collects user information like name, email, and phone number. Now, let's set up a way to manage user submissions. Navigate back to your database and create a new collection for requests. Add properties like name, email, phone number, and selected service. In the form on your request screen, map the input fields to the corresponding properties in the requests collection. Now, let's add navigation to your app. At the top of your app, drag and drop a navigation bar. Link the navigation items to the appropriate screens, such as Home and Request Service. Next, let's test your app to ensure everything functions correctly. Click on the Preview button to see how the app works in a simulated environment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.